Tears and pains that spread around your sorrow, can they feel me? Show them how you want to live tomorrow. Can they see the pain in my eyes? Will it stay till the day I die? When the time comes for the last good night, would he hold me oh so tight? I need to know why this thing's happening to me. Tell me if this pain inside is the love that meant for me. Do I have supposed to ever love you? Can you tell me? How do I keep the faith in this love? Can they feel I still long for your love? And just I'm imagining all your tears and endless song are all gone now. I could sing. Oh, I'm falling on the floor. Lord, guide me to the heaven's door. I'll now fade into the night. It's time to say the last goodbye. Now it's time to say
Yan nga ang heartbreaking part of it, because you know, the loved ones, people who are close to these victims, are the ones who were instrumental, and in that sense they are co-perpetrators. Damaged na sila psychologically, and it has a tremendous impact on their way of thinking, on their personality. You know, the fight against human trafficking has to be a collective effort. Everyone, both in the public and the private sectors. Every time that one becomes a victim of human trafficking, every time one is being exploited for sexual purposes, for prostitution, for forced labor, that is a violation of human rights, because the next victim might be your own kin, your child, your sister, and even yourself. Anyone can be a potential victim of human trafficking. Vigilance is very much the key.
To the heaven's door, I'll now fade into the night.
Kami mga taga-NBI na nasa unahang hanay ng pakipaglaban sa mga human traffickers ay nakakaramdam ng galit at panlulumo sa mga bagay na aming nakita at naranasan bilang bahagi ng aming karanasan sa paglaban sa human trafficking. Ginagawa namin ang labis pa sa aming makakaya upang papanagutin sa batas ang mga taong nag-aabuso, nagsasamantala at yumuyurak sa pagkatao at dangal ng ating mga kababaihan at kabataan.